Okay, so let's get started. First, you need to go to this website called replicate. Okay, just click on this first link. Okay, so make sure you create an account over here, and then you need to just connect your bank details. Okay, and after that you just need to search for this Ghibli file 3, and then just click on this first one. Okay, so basically we will be using this model for transforming our normal image into Studio Ghibli similar art. Okay, so what you need to do, just click on this HTTP and then just copy this curl source code and then open a new tab and search for Claude. Click on the first link and then just make sure you create an account over here as well. Paste your copied curl source code and run this prompt. I want to and then just click on this. Okay, so it is generating as the source code. Great. So until it gets done, let me just show you the other steps. So first of all, you need to create a Next.js project. I've already created, so if you don't know, then you can just refer to the Next.js documentation for creating a Next.js project. And after that, you just need to create a folder, like, or it will be like default by running the command which Next.js documentation will be providing to you. Inside this app directory, you just need to create a page called let me just create a folder called build, then create a page.gsx, and then here it has provided us the page. Just copy this, paste over here, and then we will be copying the route, API route, and inside this app directory create a folder API, then another folder you need to create inside this app API folder, which is generate image, then allow.js page, then paste the source code for calling the API. So here one more change I need to do, which is next public applicate API token. Okay, so great, so we are almost done. So one more thing we need to do, which is you need to just generate API token from replicate website and just need to add it in your env file. So I've already added, so I won't show my replicate API token. So you just need to generate your replicate API token and add inside this .env file. Okay, so let's just open it in the localhost. Localhost 3000 build. Okay, so let's just check the page again whether it is correct. Generate image. Okay, try it out. I'm just uploading one image. Let's just wait for some couple of seconds. And here you go. So amazing, right? So let's just update the UI to make it something really cool. So if you just search on this Google Chrome, which is Chatcien Ghibli theme, something like that, and if you just click on this Matsu's theme for Chatcien, and just you can screenshot this color combination. Okay, so MATSU Matsu, just create a new chat, and then just you can say, I just want to show you that how it works. So upload it, the screenshot, and then just paste your frontend source code, paste it here, and then just write this prompt, which is update the UI into something very cool and catchy with similar. So this prompt you can write and just hit enter. Hopefully it will make the UI something more professional. Okay, so it is looking something really professional. Just copy this and paste over here. Okay, as you can see, it is something better from the previous one. Now let's just upload one image. Here you go, it is working. And here is the output. So hope you like this video. I hope you have learned some of the things, like making an API call from replicate, pasting the source code, and like instructing the Claude for generating the source code, and like using it in your Nextjs project for building this platform.